Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and as you have already seen the thumbnail, without any delay, let's get into the video. And before that, I have a warning for you guys that the websites or the apps which I'm going to tell you are not like, they will not be giving you a higher income, yeah, provide you with a large amount of money. It's just for someone like college students, college going students, yeah, normal students going to school. They will be able to cover their fuel expenses, snack expenses, yeah, expenses that are not much. So I'm not showing you any higher dreams, yeah, big dreams of you can earn about 1 lakh, 2 lakh, that all. I just assure you of getting minimum of about 2000 to 3000 monthly, and someone who is expecting more than that can just skip the video. And before getting into the video, do subscribe to the channel and like button also. I'll be telling you genuine ways which I have been working on and which I am working on currently as well. So yeah, the first one is I have been using this under 20 app. I'll be giving the link in the description box below. Do check it out. तुम लोगों ने बहुत सारे, you must have gone through hundreds and thousands of work from home, work from online, fill the surveys and earn, that kind of videos and that kind of forms and forms. Yeah, you have advertisements you must have gone through. So I just advise you to once go through this app. You will be getting surveys, you will be having poster makings, you will be having, like, you have to share your opinions, you have to make animations. So in general, it enhances the creativity inside you, as well as it rewards you for whatever you have done. So you are not getting anything for free, you're actually working for whatever poster things, animation things you're making, the ads you're making. So that's the thing you have to do in this app, and you have to post it on the app itself. You have the submit button over there, and within a week or 2 weeks you get your results. So basically this is the format you are going to have, and you have to enter the squares, and then you have this interface. So you have to fill these whatever, you have to complete these tasks and you have to submit it, and within 1 week or 2 week you will get the results. And if the person sitting over there likes your work, you will be rewarded with whatever the money prize it's there. And there will be openings, like the app usually have a task has openings, like it has 600 openings, 300 openings, and so based on the openings you will get the rewards. And to be honest, it is a very trustworthy app, and I have been using it from past 2-3 months, and this is the proof of what I have earned from this app. So yeah, do check it out. इतने लोगों पे जब भरोसा किया है, तो why not just try it once more for the last time. So the next one is, I have some, like, for these college going students, I have 2-3 websites where you can actually earn by describing your college or writing a review for your college. So very first one is, we have College Dunia, and this is the interface you will be having. So I'll show you what all you have to fill in these forms. So this is the interface you'll be getting after opening the website, and यहाँ पे on the first page you have to fill about your college, which college you want to choose, and then year of admission and how many members are there in your class, the class size, and the course fees you have to enter, and you have to answer all the questions which are being asked over here. You have to enter the percentages, the CGPAs, whatever you have in the class 12th as well as class 10th. These are all the estimated numbers I'm just putting just in order to show you all. So yeah, so this is the first page. In this you have to clearly explain how much is your college fees, and what are the different kinds of quotas which have been available in your college, if we have the NRI quota or not, foreign children are there or not, and then what are the scholarships which are being provided by the college itself. And then you have to write minimum of 200 characters in order to move on to the second page, and each page has 10 rupees for each page, filling each page. And then you have to simply rate your college affordability and move forward. And in this you have to write how the infrastructure of your college is. You have to write the things you have liked in your college and things you disliked, like 3 of them, and the minimum characters for this one is 40 of them. And then again the same way you have to rate your college again. You can't just write whatever you want randomly because they will be analyzed, so you have to be accurate of whatever you're writing. So So the next one is, what is the curriculum? What are the subjects your college will be teaching in that particular course, and how does your examinations takes place? What is the timings of the examination? How many examinations are being conducted in the college, and how is your faculty? Is it like you can include whatever the experiences of your college teachers, your faculty is, and then the years of experience they have, and whatever they have studied, you can just include all of that in this. And again the minimum is 200, and for clearing each of the page you'll be getting 10 rupees, and in the final it will sum up to 100 rupees. So just rate it and just click next. And then we have the number of exams. So again the course, what does it include and all, you have to explain them. And what is the timings of your examination, you can just write the same what you have written for the faculty and all, you can just write the same in this one also. So again just write minimum of 200 words. You can write more than that also if you want, but the minimum is 200. And you can just now simply rate your course, whatever course you're studying, is it worth it or not, and just click next. The next one is, we have to talk about if you have applied for other colleges and you got admission in that colleges also, what are the parameters you checked, you compared with those both colleges that made you choose this college. So you have to keep that in your mind and write about it, and whatever the overall admission process is, what are the requirements for the admission processes, and then why should a student prefer this college instead of the other one which you got. You have to write and explain about it in minimum of 200 words again. And after that you can just simply again rate your college, yeah, rate your experience, and then save and next. You have to write the process of admission as well, how much is the cutoff, yeah, what are the examinations you have to give in order to get into this college. You have to mention all of that. So let's move on to the next one. This one is, what are the cultures that have been organized in our colleges, what are various kinds of achievements for our college, is it indulged in the sports and all, does it have social groups, and we have these clubs right now in different colleges, so does it include it and all. So you have to mention all of that in your in this page, and again you have to rate it based on whatever you wish like. So the next one is, how is the nightlife in your college? Like basically we have colleges and we have hostels, so what is the security that has been provided to people over there staying in the hostel? How easy is it for students to just roam around in the corridors? Is it safe or not? You have to mention all of that. And you have security in your college premises? This all you have to mention, even in college premises as well as the hostel premises. So you have to mention all of that, and again rate the nightlife of your college. So in the last one, you have to give a title for your review, and you have to enter your UPI ID and save, and next you have to press. And after that, you have to upload a proof for your verification. You have to upload whatever ID card, your mark sheet you are having, your fee receipts you have. You can just upload that, and if you don't have it, you can add the email address of your college. And just in case you don't want yourself to be identified by anyone, you can use the anonymous tag. You can just click on the anonymous one, and you have to upload whatever pictures you want. I just uploaded a random photo to show you all. So again, press next. You can just name whatever name you want. You can just choose it, and by clicking on continue, you can upload. You can just skip it, and this. So yeah, these are all the things you have to fill in the form, and within a week or something you will get your money if your review gets approved. And by referring to your friends, as many friends as you can refer, you can again earn 50 rupees per each review. And this is the payout I received this month by getting referrals by my friends or whatever people I have referred to. So yeah, the next one is again a review website, that is College Batch. College Batch is again a trustworthy and very good website to write reviews for your college and earn from it. And this is the format it's going to have, and the payout I'll be attaching in the last clip. And the very last thing, very last way to earn money is freelancing. Of course, I've already talked about it in my previous video, and I know it's hard to get your first gigs on your bids on your freelancing accounts, but you have to work for it. You have to enhance your profiles, and you have to make it worthy for people to be attracted towards it. So freelancing is the best way you can earn, and I can assure you, if you are consistent and if your work is good, you can earn more than 2,000 to 5,000 per month. So I have again given you few freelancing websites in the description box below. Do check them out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all found it informative. If you found it informative, do subscribe to the channel. It's the only motivation we get to make more videos. So do subscribe, do like the like button, and comment in the comment section below if you have received the money or not. I mean, I do deserve the outcome I have worked for. I really need to know if you all have received the money or not. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.